na minim constitution matidino but na me share them breaking it down that because politics no minim assemblyman kra minim ye nko sign a contract bia me government bia me obi ani asem obi anso mbra me sika bia me ka sem ye new force a obi antimi me force me sem asatena se me gina ho na me ko nti yes ana say me read the constitution ne kakra na me read the constitution no me say hey asa de kwesi broni ai slave no me ye da so hwemo
your 1992 constitution no ye formed by Jerry Rawlings and a few people. It infractions bebree wom. Asem we maka say your constitution in this current state no emwa madagana emwa me.
Me say constitution no enye straight papa amanfo besuro omo so omo kom so omo ba omo koma naked no omo di wram ti omo ba bibi omenya bia no omo fom na me hwa ade esa na me say eh nti ade na yatena ho ana adi eso for 40 years.
Constitution na wo hono ama nipa baako wa too powerful. The power of the executive in the constitution is not normal. Power sebe ema nipa uhu se unya absolute power uye niema enfata. And in America ye ka se obi wo tumi wo Ghana, it's only the president who has power in Ghana. Ye hwe yema pani Mahama ensemi no kan no se meba na constitution no was it designed say who power nkwana you can affect change. Obroni ntisa ene ko hwe Biden ne to sa because ye wo mere timi you impeachment no eye adwuma ukwa America. Africa impeachment by Parliament for no more, they wait on the basis of what? Party tickets. Sadly, we need to look at it again. The Parliament of Ghana, which is the governing body, making laws, no? Does it have to be partisan? Maybe so. Does the Parliament of Ghana have to be partisan? I beg to differ. You won't conform or majumu be or majumu daba because they don't belong to NDC or MPP. They can't even support Ghana. Mawaka baba Xposed GH FM Bros unsubscribe ya subscribe no be nso nya bin share ensema ye keka na Ghana 17 na ye keka sei ene ye do constitution so constitution ede ne constitution eye emara ye di bu oman constitution ye 1992 constitution no ye formed by Jerry Rawlings and a few people. It infractions bebree wom. Asem we maka say your constitution in this current state no emwa madagana emwa me na nso ye ntiase be na chada say mehu asem me ba montam kuchu constitution mesesem be niema bebre wo ma emwa yen ye gote chada me ba medwudwama kirewo
na minim constitution matidin no but na me share them breaking it down that because politics no minim assemblyman kra minim ye nko sign a contract bia me government bia me obi ani asem obi anso mbra me sika bia ti me ka sem ye new force a obi antimi me force me sem asatena se me gina ho na me ko nti yes ana say me read the constitution ne kakra na me read the constitution no me hu say hey asa de kwesi broni ai slave no me ye da so hwemo me hu say constitution no enye straight papa amanfo besuro omo so omo kom so omo ba omo koma naked no omo di wram ti omo ba bibi omenya bia no omo fom na me hwa ade esa na me say eh nti ade na yatena ho ana adi eso for 40 years ese say yesesem na mini hwan ena binjina ha sesei metimi aka say me kosesa constitution no ana say me tuki constitution no ama ne awo pe ene ne amepe ne ne nyina ayepe aye ho da bi mintimi age se wowura constitution nim no wowura omo parliament wowura omo dabre nim wa kiro bia se mo ntena se afedi yaba ani daswaba bedi akon obedi akon na edi akon ye ya tena se na yakasa ansana yetimi asesa no ma bi wom na wodo ano ka sese ya ahwe kra na ebekwa koye se kosi broni na odada omo so dada yen no na wugina wo sa na ye bru ntuo because wodo ano ka ntimi no ma mini bi wo ha ehye mitrim but minim pa se constitution de ese ye tweak no na ye hwe ene 2024 se ne se ewiase kona ese se yenso ye normal ete se abrochefo ɛte sɛ the westerners ɛte sɛ nkurɔfoɔ nso bɛtumi aba ha a ɔmo ba bɛtena kurom ha ɔmo ani bɛgye ɔmo bɛbu yɛn na abibifoɔ deɛ sɛ asɛm no nɔkorɛ ne yɛka deɛ a animdeɛ a nyame de maa yɛn no ɛkɔ wokɔ kuro biara so a yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛbu yɛn kɔkɔ baabi a mehwɛ buroni na ogyina hɔ no nea ɔwɔ biara me so metumi wɔ bi nea ɔwɔ biara ɔbɛtɔ biara metumi atɔ bi but ɛyɛ na ɔmo hu yɛ a ɔmo sɛ bibifoɔ deɛ daabi ɛnkɔ ye ofi sɛ bibifoɔ nyinaa ehia yɛn ɛntumi nye ye da adekoro nti a megyina ha one of the reasons is to get this heritage value back because sɛ ɔmo mbu mi a ɔmo mbu ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a me ufiri tachiman ɛna me free Accra na me free Brekuma asɛm wodi nyinaa yɛtena play mu na ɔde ɛkɔ China ɔmo hu difference no ne ɔmo bɛka ne sɛ yɛyɛ black and we are Africans nti mepɛ sɛ black people Africans Ghanaians tachiman Accra Konongo obia value no we have to redeem it na yɛtumi anya millions of millionaires a ɔmo so tie adwuma ase ɔmo te sika ase na abrɔfo no bɛhu yɛ sɛ in 10 years from now no abibifoɔ sisa abibifoɔ ɛsesa ɛsɛ sɛ ɛna constitution ne ka ho na yɛbɛtumi asesa abibifoɔ a sɛnesi a colonial masters ɔmo bɛyɛɛ no broni nyansa ɛso nti ɛni sɛ ɔne ne ko ɛsɛ sɛ wode w'ani third one no wode hwehwɛ ne yie na wohu nea wayɛ no na wayɛ bi ɛno pɛ ɛna wobɛtumi de adi ne so nkonim yɛse the best way to defeat your enemy is humility because wompɛ sɛ wobɛhu sɛ woba wobrɛ wo ho ase na wode champion tactics wayi ne de no ahwe fam ɛyɛ ɔsono koraa a woyi ne hwe hɔ ɛyɛ gyata a woyi ne hwe hɔ ɛyɛ wɔsebɔ a woyi ne hwe hɔ because no ɔno wɔsebɔ no koraa wohu no watemi no gyata no ɔhwɛ wa a wɔtumi sɛ sunsum wei deɛ ɛnam wei mentimi nka ɛyɛ Daniel nam no bi nti ɛnoa na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɛ na yɛnyɛyɛ medeɛ mefiri sɛ kwasi broni nea ɔbɛyɛɛ a ɔtumi ɛdadan ya ama yɛyɛ constitution bi ɛmu atete ana wobɛkɔ na ha tribe way na nti yɛadwene nyinaa ayɛ tribe nationality where is the mentality that is what you need. It's our brain that is the engine and no na here say a shas say trainee brainy na akoma no ye shas say ye bia akoma num na yetimi de ama na yetimi ache na ya fedi ahoden na nka say wo sunsum num sorry Ghana eni ha say no mabru no kra na ye pese yetete omo no omo ba no ato omo ne nkasakasa obi e gossipe unim nipa na oka ne ho asem unye ye na oka obi de usika maye na ubru obi ndua
Follow for our new constitutional policy.
You see, yakase constitution papa no, it protects what the weak and the vulnerable. By a constitution it protecting weak no, dabi. Emra bi anya dwuma. I just emra ba ko pe be ma ne ma public toilet or bank kwa and say kwakofo buso. Obedu na kwabra ne be ma ofima place never. Constitution na wo hono ama nipa ba ko wa too powerful. The power of the executive in the constitution is not normal. Eye power sebe ema nipa hu say unya absolute power wo ye niama emfata. Ede na America ye ka say obi wo tumi wo Ghana, it's only the president who has power in Ghana. Ye ma pani Mahama ensami no kan you say me ba na constitution no was it designed say who power and kwana you can affect change obroni ntisa ene ko Biden ne to sa because ye wo mere timi you impeachment no eye adwuma ukwa America Africa impeachment ben parliament for no more they went on the basis of what party tickets. Sadly, we need to look at it again. the Parliament of Ghana, which is the governing body, are making laws, no, does it have to be partisan? Maybe so. Does the Parliament of Ghana have to be partisan? I beg to differ. You won't conform or manjumu be or manjumu daba because they don't belong to NDC or MPP. No, they can't even support Ghana. Okay? Politicians no a design at the end say, ye cripple or minor in the name of democracy. Now you can see a war minor because and yes, sir, a man is saying. And that the president has control over every sector of the economy, including the security. Right? The people who are supposed to do what we call checks and balances of the president are being appointed by the president. Now, why I am Sami na me appointed? Can you check me? You can check me. You can never check me. Yamba economy no wa. The Bank of Ghana, the governor. Or you appointed by the president. Meanwhile, and no nessa ankoye obi oye independent. Yeti America sano yesha 2021-2022. Government of Ghana on my Bank of Ghana governor no otwa money in excess of our 200% egu economy nim. And until Ghana ye bring. Yes. Ya kwa cabinet president no mo biya ka so se ne amaka nyina fine ba me fa. Even the vice president are not recognized in the constitution. Only Robia wom. Anything about Obia say, or no, why Ojanfun or in the Mupa. Sa constitution way, do you think a constitution and yes abibo? Because constitution any clear path for Ghana to grow. We are in time, sir. Near master, we need to change it. But you know what? John Mahama. Nobody is talking about the constitution because it favors them. It's here, electoral commission being appointed by Ekufuado. Not John Mahama Ekasa. It means say the tables are 10. Ochina, yeah, John Mahama ba. Ose me bapa me what the electoral commission FO. Meanwhile, the electoral commission is supposed to be what an independent body. It's here nunu ye honi esre. Could you imagine, say, if destiny has been appointed by an independent person, it's high time who say, baby, I yakon M1 constitution na JJ no M1 Ghana. And I want you to start making noise about the constitution. We need to change the constitution now. Kulu balo ye kosu about yisi and they know how to solve it because what it be say a truly independent body. John Mahama wouldn't have problem. Akufo-Addo wouldn't have problem. Anybody wouldn't have problem. But because they are being chosen by somebody who is now in government, the opposition will always have what problem. And then we can't just solve it. Say, commissioners, they can choose their chairperson. Is it too hard? Why should the president choose the EC boss? Why should the president choose the IGP? Why should the president choose what? The CJ? Are we that dumb? We are dumb. Because if we are not dumb, we should have changed this constitution 2,000 years ago. What is wrong with us? 92 to now. How many years? 32? And we are still using that constitution with a bogus. It doesn't what? Encourage us to grow as people. So, Chada, who said, constitution, and on that Messiah met me a peja Ghana. Me yagin, I won't swear. I say in any yagin, may qualify for demonstration against the constitution. Constitution may qualify for demonstration so that we will change the constitution because constitution now on M1 Ghana. And no number politicians are too powerful. Say, they will steal the money. It brings corruption because the president can do anything. Constitution, like I said, President Fisua ultimately and finding court for 7 years. What is wrong with us? Constitution, es gracia. What's some say? Constitution a year na president no and then meanwhile the president sika etua no kra e non-taxable. It means e tax no president tilweso onya bibia free onya kickbacks. What kind of constitution is this? And nobody can take the president to court because the chief justice not so is being appointed by the president. Okay, Yamame Ekufu. Yes, the former chief justice. I say, and me chief justice going to meet me kasa. adentina ene no timi kasa constitution a wuntimi en charge obi or government mu no enye constitution papa former president John Mahama you know start speaking against the constitution o pese wudi abane dia sa ye now janjai na kasa se me ba mesesa constitution no yeba ba me also start speaking against the constitution cause constitution no emwa me ya pese Ghana koso na nya lip service nya dia it's time to change the constitution. Chada has shown a way. Say the American media me chada ni. I see you change me so I ready. Come me you change. I expose the HFM members. Watch out. Subscribe, subscribe. No be see me. Bye bye.